What if I told you that you could increase your energy, you can fix your posture, and you relieve all your pain related to your neck, shoulder, and spine without even leaving your office chair? Yes, you heard it right. You need not to change your gym clothes. You don't have to travel to some classes. Even you don't have to go anywhere. You just have to sit on your chair and you have to start all these practices which I am going to share in today's video. So here is 10 minutes routine which you are going to do sitting on your chair, and your shoulder, neck and spine will thank you. If you want to thank me in advance, please subscribe this YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Namaste everyone, my name is Shahida. I am an internationally certified yoga teacher. I have been teaching yoga since last 10 years. So let's begin the session sitting on a chair and releasing all those tension accumulated around your shoulder, neck and spine. So what you are going to do is, whatever movement I am showing you, you have to focus on the movement as well as the breathing also. So keeping the spinal cord erect, and you are lifting your heels up and down like this. This is a very simple practice. This practice is known as soleus push-up. Highly beneficial to improve the metabolism of the glucose. So you can burn the calorie because you have to sit a lot at one place. Heels up and down, heels up and down, heels up and down. So you can do this practice for as long as you want, right? Like this. You are working on your laptop or computer or sitting on a desk, you can do this. After this practice, I want you all to do this ankle movement also, in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with normal breathing. Now 360-degree rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now the knee. 1, 2, inhale out, exhale down. Inhale out, exhale down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Wonderful. Now the half butterfly is sitting on a chair. Right foot on your left thigh. Push the knee down. So this will help you to release the tension around your hips like this. Just push the down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Like this. 10 to 20 times. Other leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this. You can keep on doing this as long as you can, all these practices. Like this. Now, the next practice is to loosen the neck joints. So, chin towards the collarbone. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Do this 15 to 20 times. Now the next practice is look right and left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Like this. And next practice is half neck rotation. Look right, look left, look right, look left, look right and look left. Now the 360-degree rotation, keep your eyes open. If you are already having neck pain, don't do this practice which I am showing you. If you don't have any pain, you can continue. Keep your eyes open, 360-degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the neck tension is released. Let's work on the shoulder. So sitting on a chair and all your finger touching your shoulder. Inhale, elbow up towards the ceiling, both the bicep close to the ear. Inhale and exhale like this. Inhale up and exhale like this. This movement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So do this 10 to 15 times. And then next practice is inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this. And now we are going to do the 360-degree rotation. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See how simple this practice is? And now what you are going to do is interlock your finger, palm to your chest. As you inhale, exhale, palm to the chest. Inhale out, exhale, palm to the chest. 5, 4 for the finger joint, elbow joint, shoulder joints. 3, you are going to do all these practices for 10 times like this. Okay? And then stretch out, stretch, release all those middle back pain. Stretch, and like this. And then what you do, keep your palm on your chest as you inhale. Stretch your hands up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. So you are helping your spine to decompress with the help of this practice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. See how simple all these practices are, right? With the help of breathing. Now, seated cat and cow. So, you are nicely sitting on the chair and keeping the spinal cord erect. Place your palm to the knee and roll your shoulders back. Push your chest out, neck open. Inhale. Exhale, make your spine rounded and look towards your navel region. Inhale. Exhale. This is going to release all the tension accumulated on your spine. Like this. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. I love this practice. And exhale. Inhale and exhale like this. After the seated cat and cow, next practice is seated spinal twist. So what you're going to do is keep the spine cord erect and turn to your back, look back, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. Exhale, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this for 10 times, 5 each, right side and left side like this. See how simple all these practices are. You can do sitting on a chair only, right? Next practice, to loosen all the tension accumulated around your hip joints. So what you do is, place both the palm to the chair and bring your right leg on the chair like this, and then push your hip forward to release all the tension on your lower back like this. Like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Ensure that if you are doing it on your right, do it on your left also. like this, like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sit on your chair and you will feel how easy all these practices are. You can do every day. Like take out 5 to 10 minutes time and you are done. Now let's work on the belly also. Sitting on a chair, lean back little, stretch your legs out. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will strengthen your abdominal muscles like this. So with the help of all these practices, you are working on your complete body. If you want to join online yoga classes, you want to learn step by step how to do asanas, pranayama, meditation, how to change your lifestyle, how to have a diet like a yogi, you all are welcome to join my Zoom yoga classes. These Zoom yoga classes happens from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. Who can join these classes? If you are a beginner, already practicing yoga, or if you have any health condition, you all are welcome to join these Zoom yoga classes and practice yoga with me as per your health condition and your goal. If you want to know more about these classes, I am sharing you my calling number and WhatsApp number here. You can just make a call or just simply do a WhatsApp and you will get all the details on your mobile immediately. Or you can simply visit my website which I have shared here. I have very limited slots available, so register soon. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till end. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have already subscribed this YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, no problem. Don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to share your valuable feedback and suggestion in the comment box. For all of you, I am sharing some suggestions of my already uploaded video on YouTube and I am sure you will also enjoy this video. Take good care of yourself and keep practicing yoga. Namaste.